But no, you are different. You, young man, you are different. It's going to work for you. You are the 1% that it's going to happen for. This is the Raising Carter podcast, the podcast and YouTube channel that focuses on fatherhood coaching. And the three main things that we focus on here is money, relationships, and manhood. Because these three things, for some odd reason, we're not taught. We're not taught. We're not taught about money. We're not taught about relationships, and we're not taught about manhood. And that is an issue. But on this episode, we're going to talk about money. We're going to talk about the intrigue and the allure of fast money. Whether it's in the streets or it's online. And I got a video for you that highlights that. Check this out.
Fans! Oh my God! Yes! 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 I love you, Alex. 220. 220.
So for all my people that's on the audio version, there's this day trader coach, and he's going to, in this video, he's taking one of his students who has 4K, and he's within 30 minutes, he's got him up to 82K. He's got him winning. He's got him making 82K. So that's what you hear. That's what you hear, all the commotion and everybody screaming and yelling because he's helping this kid, one of his students, earn $78,000. Check it out.
Let's go! 221! If you're not in the fucking MDM Discord, you're a goddamn bum!
So,
Bro, I'm at 82 bands! Drink! I don't say a word. Minute. Y'all thought I was fit. She was looking OD from the side. I said she ain't a hero. She lied. I woke up to 3 bitches in my bed. And every time every 5. What? Yeah! Money on your mouth, money on your headline. Bury me with like $1 million on my neck. Yeah! Clown, get dumb high. Hold on! Whoa! Fuck it! No! I made 90 bands! 90! Join the goddamn Discord! Yeah! This ain't no goddamn scam. This shit is real. Join the fucking Discord!
Yeah, it's not a scam. It's real. It's real. It's not a scam. You can win. You can earn 90 bands. Let me tell you something. Whether it's in the streets or it's online, fast money, it's not all it's made up to be. But that's the problem. When I was younger, and hell, even older men, we get seduced by the chance to make fast money, to earn money without even really doing nothing. Do that even sound right? All the people who go to work every day and earn a living, do that even sound? I don't care what you do. Do that even sound logical to earn money without even doing anything? No, it doesn't. Even people who make money gambling, whether it is, rolling dice or, betting in the casino. But looking at this video, you'll get hypnotized and mesmerized and thinking that, you could just make money like this yourself. Now, maybe this coach, Alex, he can do it. But do you really think he can teach everybody to do it? I'm not falling for the banana in the tailpipe. day trading isn't investing, it's gambling. That's why I keep mistakenly on purpose say winning, because you're not investing, you're gambling. So you could win or you can lose. But let me give you some receipts. A study by the Security and Exchange Commission found that approximately 70 to 80% of day traders lose money. According to a 2019 research paper by the University of California, Berkeley, it's it's a pretty good school. Only about 1% of day traders earn a profit over the long term. Bruh, I don't want to do anything that only 1% of the people end up coming up. Hell, you might as well not even do it. But you see these kids, these dudes on here, they going crazy. They going crazy. They losing their mind because they feel like they can do it too. It can happen for them too. You heard what said the Security and Exchange Commission did a study that 70 to 80% of day traders lose money. It's not investing. It's not investing. It's gambling. You can check out the video that I did interviewing financial coach Darvin Moore, where he said that he helped 4 young men get funds. They used that funds to do just like these guys, start investing with some day trading app and lost all the money. Lost all of it. He told them, hey, don't put all the money in at once. Just see how it goes. Nope. They put it all in and lost it all. But no, you are different. You, young man, you are different. It's going to work for you. You are the 1% that it's going to happen for. I think I'm going to call bullshit on that one. You're going to be the 99% that it don't happen for. So if you want to invest, if you want to build wealth, do it the old-fashioned way. Do it the old-fashioned way. Real estate, entrepreneurship, or the stock market. Okay? Playing day trading, hell, it's just as you might as well be playing the lottery. You might as well go down to the casino and play blackjack or play the slots. It's no different. Hell, those screens look like a damn like a DraftKings screen. You might as well play fantasy football or something, because you are not going to win that way. Please, fathers, teach your sons about money. You learn about money. Check out my website, I Will Never Quit Investing, where we got a great course for beginners, people that have under $100,000 in their 401k, learning about your phone. If you got a job and you got a 401k, that's where you start investing. Oh yeah, I forgot, it's boring. You don't make money overnight. You don't make 90 bands in 30 minutes. Man, if you don't get your silly, you know what, somewhere and sit down and stop thinking that anything worth having is going to take time to get, and it's going to be hard. Nothing comes to a dream but a dreamer. And all these people that's out here day trading and options and all that mess, you dreaming. Yes, some people do make money. 1%. Some people do make money. But can they teach you how to do it? I doubt it. I doubt it. If you want to invest, do it the right way. Learn how to do it the right way. It takes years. It takes years. It takes decades. But when you really need it most, in your elderly years, you 50, 60, 70 years old, when you really need the money, and you can't work anymore or don't want to work anymore, you'll have it. But if you're doing stuff like this, if you're trying to get fast money, hey, fast money comes and goes, like Jim Jones said. It comes and goes. If you make it that fast, you're gonna spend it that fast because why? You think you're gonna do it again. And it's not gonna happen. So if you got any value from this video, check out this video I did right here with my man Darvin Moore, the financial coach, about the 15 ways you can lose money when you are invested. The 15 ways, investing for dummies, 15 ways you can lose money. And one of those ways is day trading. And I'm out of here. Peace.